Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Skim Sam on Monday, Alfred finally uncovers the bitter truth behind Celia's reluctance to return to TAF. Evelyn's reason to celebrate raises concern for Stockholm. On Tuesday, a familiar face returns to TEF after a lengthy disappearance. Mr. Khome's chaotic personal life once again disrupts his professional duties. On Wednesday, the quest at the Mahonga house is a ticking time bomb. Lehaso grapples with settling into his new position. On Thursday, Mahonga house is turned into emergency operating room. Salamina gets the shock of her life when she steps into Mahonga's house. On Friday, word spreads quickly about the return of Teva's problem child. Lehasa is conflicted when he has to discipline a member of his team in a gangster fashion. Thank you guys for watching.